This is the cinematic quality you can extract out of Pika Labs if you know how to use these parameters like motion, guidance scale, and camera movements correctly. But the real secret to success lies in knowing how to make cinematic prompts that results in uniform scenes, color arrangements, and lighting. So, in this video, you will learn everything you need to know about Pika Labs, and I will show you cinematic prompts to use this in any text to image of your choice. So you can create cinematic shots with universal look, bring characters to life, and add dynamic movements to your screen and vehicles. Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about on how you could go ahead and create video on Pika Labs. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Okay, so first we need to have access on Pika Labs. Just go through your browser and in Google just go ahead and search Pika Labs. You will see this website right here, pikalabs.art. Just go ahead and click on it. Go ahead and click join beta. And then that link will automatically redirect you to your Discord app. If you don't have a Discord app yet, just go ahead and download it in their official website. Once you're inside the Pika server, just go ahead and right click the Pika bot right here and just go ahead and click the message option. After that, we will now have this private chat room with the Pika bot. And we could go ahead and create our video right here by typing /create. And we will go ahead and type our prompt right here. It will go ahead and take around 30 seconds, which in my opinion is really quick. So this is the video that we got. As you can see, it's a mediocre type of video, so I suggest just using the image to video, which has a better AI using Pika Labs. And later on this video, I am going to show you on how you could use image to text. So first, let's go ahead and discuss the buttons right here. So for the first one, we have the thumbs up button. If you press this button, the AI will learn that it's producing a good content for you. Thumbs down if you don't want the video that this AI produces. For the second one right here, it is going to reanimate the whole prompt. So sometimes it's better to just go ahead and reanimate with the same prompt, because obviously you have to redo this type of prompts in order to get your preferred style. And for the last one right here, we have the shuffle. You could just go ahead and add additional prompts, so it is going to go ahead and take this animation right here and it's gonna add those new prompts that you have added. So let's just go over to Leonardo AI to produce better text to image. So this is a free AI tool, but if you currently have a Midjourney subscription, you could just go ahead and use that. So let's just go ahead and create our own image. Just under the user tools right here, you could go ahead and see the AI image generation option. Just go ahead and click on it, and we will now be presented with this page right here where we can go ahead and create our own images. So I have the same prompt right here, cinematic shot of an astronaut with a helmet walking on Mars cinematic. So I'm just gonna go ahead and change the model right here into absolute reality version 1.6. So I got these few images right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and select the first one. I'm just gonna go ahead and download the image. So now that we have our image right here, as you can go ahead and see, let's go back to Pika Labs and let's go ahead and type /. After typing /animate, just go ahead and click on the prompt option right here and it will go ahead and add this additional text box for you. Right after, just go ahead and drag your image inside Pika Labs. And right here is where we could go ahead and type our animation. I'm just gonna go ahead and type. Right after typing your prompt, we could go ahead and still add additional elements like camera movements or motion. But before that, we're just gonna go ahead and try this prompt right here. Let's just go ahead and hit enter. So right after, I have this result right here. To demonstrate, I'm just gonna go ahead and click this button right here, which is going to redo the whole animation. So right after clicking that button, it will go ahead and produce another animation with the same prompt that you used. Meanwhile, I also generated this ship right here. Spaceship flies to the right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and play it for you. As you can go ahead and see, the spaceship slowly turns to the right, but the camera angle is stationary, which gives us this illusion that the spaceship is not moving. So in order to counter that, we're gonna go ahead and click on the shuffle button right here. And we have our prompt right here, spaceship flies to the right. Actually, we can go ahead and add elements into this prompt. And we are going to head into this PDF right here, which I got from this guy. So this is the
To make your
PDF
videos
right
more
here that
exciting,
you
you
can
can
also go ahead and add. For example, we have the parameter here minus FPS, and we want to go ahead and insert the number of our preferred FPS right after that. For the second one, we have the motion, and in order to implement that in your prompt, you have to go ahead and type minus motion, and right after that is your preferred number. For the third one, we have the guidance scale. And in order to apply that to your prompt, you have to type minus GS and the number. And right after that, we have the negative prompt, means negative prompts indicating the context you don't want to appear in the video. So right after, we have the camera movement in Pico Labs. For the first one, we have the zoom in, and for the next one, we have the pan. And to rotate your video, you could go ahead and type minus negative rotate clockwise or the opposite one. So take note, you cannot go ahead and use two camera movement at once, you just have to use one for example. So you have to take that in note. So back at Pika Labs, I'm just gonna go ahead and add this additional prompts right here. Camera pan up right, motion 4, and the guidance scale of 15. I'm just gonna go ahead and hit on submit, and it will go ahead and provide me with that additional elements. So now that it's finished loading in, we could go ahead and play our video. As you can see, with the additional parameters that we added, we have managed to get our preferred animation. On some cases, more parameters can make your shot outstanding, and sometimes it's better to use fewer ones. For prompting in text to image or text to video here in Pico Labs, it's crucial to have good structure with cinematography terms like style, subject, shot type, scene description, lighting, and aspect ratio. This helps you break down the prompts into easy bits, which you can fill in step by step. So what I suggest next is to go ahead and use a video upscaler. For example, we have here Topaz Video AI. Just go ahead and drag your clip inside. As you can go ahead and see, we have the resolution of 1152 by 620 at 24 FPS. We could go ahead and change that by clicking on the out right here, and just select the 4K option. Meanwhile, if you are looking for a free alternative, you could use the free online AI video upscaler by CapCut. Just go ahead and drag your clip inside CapCut, and you will now be presented with this option right here. With this free alternative, you could only upscale your video by 2x. Just go ahead and select the upscale button, and you should be good to go. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.